Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another interesting little video. In today's video, we're gonna fit these on that bad boy. Honestly, I don't really know if the carbon look will look good, but I'll let you guys help me be the judge of that. So they're replacing this little piece here. See if I can remember this. I think you have to just pop it off here. I don't want to break it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Yep. Oh, yeah, there you go. Nice. See, this is wrapped, usually gray. Okay. I hope it fits as well. Okay. Oh, sure. It would be just typical if it doesn't fit. Obviously we have the carbon on the Yoshimura Alpha T exhaust. What are we thinking so far? Well, I think it looks pretty good. Just need a little bit more resemblance maybe to this part. Maybe this part as well. See, this here is not on there. Okay, other side, let's go. Ooh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh, let's try and make a comparison between the behinds. So this one is having these. Am I supposed to change these? Do you know what? I might have to put these on. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Other than that, it looks pretty identical. Question is, can I get these off? Oh, does it go on? Hey. Oh, yes. Okay. Now let's see if that's a little bit better than the other side. That should fit into this and kind of lock it in a little bit better. So we're gonna go first at the top. That is a lot better for sure. That is a lot better. Nice. That's such an easy install. That's such an easy install. Let's fix the other one. Okay, let's go. Come on, give me the little clip. Clip it. Okay, there you go. There we go. Yes. Oh, such a satisfying feeling when it clicks in. Oh, there we go. Now, like I said, this is going to look a whole lot better when the other parts come on. I'm not going to use all of them. I just kind of want to be able to put it on with some comparison, right? What do you think? I think it looks a little bit unfinished. This is obviously just the first piece. I think you need a little bit more on the bike for it to kind of blend in. I don't know how far I want to take the whole carbon colors, because you can get this fender as well in carbon. I mean, you get the whole thing, but I could easily overdo it as well, and it'll be too much. Anyway, speaking of too much, something that's not too much is the weather today. We are having some blue skies, which is amazing, because it's been raining like crazy for some time. Oh yes, let's go for a ride. So we're on the road again. Woo, yeah baby. So what's new today? I am now trying to step up my video quality. I got a ND filter on my camera. I hope it's still there, which apparently is going to make things look just a little bit better. I'm also filming in D-Log for that flat color profile, so I have a little bit more freedom for color grading in post-production. So I'm not sure if that's gonna
be better or worse, but hey, I'm giving it a crack. Today I am just on my way to language school. I am trying to learn the language of that is Thai. It is not easy at all. And by the way, it was sunny and now it's cloudy. I'm wearing the ND filter 16, number 16. Apparently that's good for cloudy weather. Sorry, for sunny weather. But now that I got out, there is a big fat cloud above. So, anyways, let's see how it goes. Could be a big massive fail on my first day using the ND. Here's the sun. Yes, here we go. And the weather's been so bad. So bad, it's been raining like a MF. The only thing that's good when you have longer breaks from riding your bike is it feels even better, doesn't it? It feels even better when you then get back on it. Ooh. Also been getting a little bit further with my MT-09 planning, so the way things are looking right now, I will most likely be an MT-09 owner by the end of this month, which is pretty fucking exciting. Thank you very much. Let's take the back way. So apparently when you wear an ND filter, you're supposed to get some more motion blur when you're driving, and if you're watching this video and you are watching motovlogs regularly, I'm sure all your favorite moto vloggers are using it as well. I think so. I'm obviously just building my own experience on the matter. Your input is highly appreciated, whether that is around you liking it or not liking it. As far as I understand, it's kind of like a either you love it or you don't thing, having that cinematic look. Yes, daily dose of adrenaline. Thank you. So yeah, here we are again. Probably not the most exciting video to watch, but like I said, I just want to keep pumping out some sort of content to keep the content mill going. Thank you. So yeah, this is better than nothing, right? And also, I just want to really practice my editing skills with the filter and with the D-Log. So hopefully this turns out well. If you have any comments, leave them below. Any constructive feedback, let me know. But for now, it is over. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all of you. See you next time.